Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the correct tire pressure for your car. Now I'm going to use my car as an example. The car I have is the Hyundai Venue. So these are the tires which come fitted by the company. They are the 195 by 65R15 variant of tires. Now how to find the correct tire pressure for your car? Now in every modern car there is this label that is fixed on the inside of the door panel. This is what I'm talking about. So now I'll explain to you in detail the information that is conveyed in this little label. By the way, this information is not just limited to my car, but it is also applicable to all other cars which basically have a tire. Because the general DNA or the basic fabric of the information remains the same, only the values change, okay? Now the company here has mentioned cold tire inflation pressure. Now that is for a reason, and the reason is that the company wants you to fill the air in the tire only when it is cold and not hot. Now why is that? Now that is because when you go for a drive or when you've just come after driving the car for a considerable amount of time, then what happens is the air inside the tire has undergone expansion because of heat that has been generated as a result of the friction with the road and the flexing that the tire undergoes, especially when you're driving. Because a tire is nothing but an aggregation of rubber strands of fibers which are put together basically by a process known as vulcanization. The air inside the tire expands. So you shouldn't fill a tire which is hot or try to fill a tire which is hot with air, because ultimately it will result in an incorrect air pressure inside your car tire. So now let's move on to the next row. 195 by 65 R1591H, 215 by 60 R169695H. Now this basically implies the variants of tires that are used in this car, of which the first row 195 by 65 R1591H are the variant of tires which are there in my car. Now for both these variants, the values of air pressure are pretty much the same, and they are mentioned below. So as you can see, there are like these three screw-like symbols plus a triangular symbol over there. Now these screw-like symbols, they denote the number of passengers. So for 3 passengers plus a bit of luggage, the pressure that needs to be maintained in the car tire, in the front tire, you can see in the first column, it is 230 kilopascals, and in the brackets you can see 33 PSI, that is 33 pounds per square inch. Similarly, for the rear tire, 230 kilopascals and 33 PSI if you have loaded the car with 3 passengers, that is including you, the driver, and 2 passengers at the rear, and a bit of luggage. So this is the pressure that needs to be maintained under cold tire situations. In the next row, there are these 5 symbols, 5 screw-like symbols, which denote 5 passengers plus these 3 triangular structures which denote the luggage. At that time, you should fill 36 PSI in the front tire and 38 PSI at the rear tire. In other words, 250 kilopascals in the front tire and 260 kilopascals in the rear tire. So I hope you understood the information that has been conveyed in this label. So you can use this information to know the exact air pressure in your own car tires and under what situation you should fill the air in your car tires. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then definitely hit the like button, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because you'll get notifications from my channel only when you hit the bell icon and enable all notifications from the channel. So this is Swappy Singh. Goodbye to all of you. Until the next time. Bye-bye.